So I did a little thing. I got me a halo hair extension from Amazon from Fuji? I don't know. My hair is short. I'm ready for it to be long again. And I needed a inexpensive option. Got the color ash brown, ash blonde. Oh, it's the halo kind, but it also comes with the clips to secure it too. Never done this before. And I got two just in case this wasn't like thick enough. It looks pretty good. All right, so hold on. I'm gonna like kind of section off. I don't really know what I'm doing. It's gonna go like around. I don't know. Okay. Oh, I think I need to pull some hair out in the back. All right, hold on. The color's pretty good. So it definitely would have been better to like section a big chunk of hair all the way around before I did this. I just did the top. I don't know why. Not a professional. Like I said, I have quite literally never done this before. Oh my god. This is so good. So good. Best $12 or $15 I've ever spent. Okay, I've had it in all day, took pictures, went outside. I actually even just ran a brush through this and I feel like it's still looking pretty good. Yes. I'm back with my long hair, baby. And lots of people told me I look good too, so it's gotta be true.